Today we are going to tour 2104 East Behrend Drive in Phoenix, Arizona. Welcome to this beautifully maintained 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2-story home that combines comfort, style, and exceptional outdoor living in one of North Phoenix's most convenient locations. As you enter, you are greeted by soaring ceilings, abundant natural light, and an open floor plan that creates a bright and welcoming atmosphere throughout the home. The stunning kitchen features a large breakfast island, stainless steel appliances, ample cabinet space, and a layout that flows seamlessly into the surrounding living areas. Additional interior highlights include a generously sized laundry room, complete with a washer, dryer, utility sink, and extra storage space. Ceiling fans are also installed throughout the home, providing added comfort and energy efficiency year-round. Outside, the property truly shines. The backyard is designed to take full advantage of Arizona living, featuring a sparkling swimming pool, a built-in barbecue grill with a covered ramada, and attractive low-maintenance turf landscaping. Whether you're entertaining guests, hosting family gatherings, or simply relaxing outdoors, this backyard creates a wonderful setting for enjoying the Arizona lifestyle. The home also includes a 2-car garage, 4 spacious bedrooms, mountain views, and the charm of an established neighborhood setting. Located near Cave Creek Road and Behrend Drive, this property offers convenient access to Loop 101, SR 51, and I-17, making travel throughout the valley simple and efficient. Residents enjoy being close to Buffalo Ridge Park, Desert Ridge Marketplace, and a variety of shopping, dining, entertainment, and outdoor recreation opportunities. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. With spacious living areas, an impressive backyard retreat, and a highly desirable North Phoenix location, this home offers an exceptional rental opportunity. To wrap up the tour, here is the primary suite with a spacious ensuite bathroom with jewel vanities and a walk-in shower. Schedule a tour today.